Is it on? Yeah. Hi, and welcome to Mock a Bird. And today we have a special guest, Robin.
Wait, why am I here?
To mock a bird.
I don't get it.
A mockingbird?
I'm not a bird.
You're Robin. It's a bird.
Okay.
So, first question is, why do birds fly south?
Oh, that's an easy one. Because it gets colder here in winter, they fly south. Because in the fall...
Because it's too far to walk, duh.
What?
So the next question is, what do you get if you cross a bird with fireworks?
Fireworks? I don't understand.
A firecracker! So, why is it that hummingbirds hum?
It's natural...
Cause they forgot the words!
Really? We're heading this direction?
And now, besides from a mockingbird, what is a bird's favorite TV show?
Birds don't watch TV.
The Feather Forecast.
Can I go, please?
This is amazing! So I've been wondering, what soap do birds use?
So, they just use water, right?
Dove.
Dove. Okay, that was a good one.
And why is it that seagulls live by the sea?
Because they're, I don't know.
If they lived by the bay, they would be named bagels.
Really?
How do you call a sick eagle?
A sick eagle? I don't know.
Illegal. I'm killing it!
Killing me.
What do you call a woodpecker without a beak?
What? I can't even visualize that.
A headbanger.
What?
And what kind of bird doesn't need to use a comb?
Birds don't use combs.
A bald eagle.
Oh, of course. I should have known.
And what bird is always out of breath? A puffin. What kind of birds can you use to open a lock?
What?
A kiwi.
Kiwi, oh. Harley, really? This has to stop.
Never! And what do you get if you cross a woodpecker with a parrot?
Again with the crossing, I don't know.
A bird that talks in Morse code!
This is, no.
I once had this boyfriend who kind of sounded like an owl.
Who? Who?
He sounds like an owl. Another fun one. What if you combine an oyster with an owl?
I don't know.
Pearls of wisdom.
Please kill me already.
Never. This is way much more fun. So, how do you call a bird, or a duck actually, on drugs?
Duck on drugs. Ducks?
A quackhead!
Oh. Can you please kill me?
No? Why? This is so much fun.
Then please, physical torture. Physical, not this. I can't handle it anymore.
I'm having fun, so I'm gonna give it a this.
Please, Batman! Can we, like...
The bat is useless.
What are you doing? What are you doing, woman? I'm escaping.
No, you're not. Stop doing that. Why are you doing that?
anyway.
I don't know what more you want to say. So.
It's fine. Can you please let me go now? I need to run away from this.
This is actually quite funny. I think this will work.
Is it? You like me tied up?
Why not?
Well. Ow! Hey! What are you... Why? It's even tighter. Now what?
Now you're stuck.
Welcome to the Robin Show. It's very interesting. It's about me. It's me, Robin, you know, and Harley tied me up. She's pretty good at that.
She actually chained you up.
Chained me up. I'm very sorry for the misunderstanding. She chained me up, and yeah, she told me some jokes. I'm actually still here, so I'm very glad I'm still alive. But it was horrible. I will need like a psychiatrist to get over this. Hey, Robin.
This thing is weird. Being weird.
That's your face.
Yeah, that's mean. But did you know that I actually am a psychiatrist?
Oh. Well,
We're gonna have so much fun. This was Macabre. Thank you for watching.
Hey, please, if you hear
Bye.
this, send help fast.